Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add colorful rain effect in the background like this into your Elementor page. You can see in this page I have added this colorful rain background. So to create it, let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create it from scratch. Now here on my Elementor page you can see I have added this heading and some text under it. Also here I have this dark blue color background. So here I will add rain background effect. So for this I will click on this section and go to its advanced settings. Now here in the CSS classes, first of all I will add CSS class of rain. Now in the custom CSS I will add a custom CSS code. By the way, you cannot add custom CSS in the Elementor free. You have to install Elementor Pro to get this effect. Now here I will paste my CSS code. Now I will add in JavaScript in the page. So for this I will go to my widgets and search for HTML. Drag this widget anywhere in the page and now here I will add JavaScript code. Now as soon as I have added this code, you can see the rain was started. Don't worry about the code, you can find the link in the description where you can get this code. So here you have the amount for the desktop, tablet and mobile. You can increase or decrease them. Let me decrease it to the 100 and now you can see the amount of the raindrops is decreased. Now I will make it 300. Here you have the speed, you can increase it or decrease it. Let me make it 1 for the minimum and 3 for the maximum, and you can see the raindrop speed was increased, but I will leave it to the default 5 and 10. Now here you can change the width of these drops, but I will leave them to default. Here you have the colors, you can change color there, you can add multiple color there. Let me add this color, so I will go to this button and here in the color I will copy this color. I will open navigator and go to HTML code and I will paste code here. Now you can see these orange color drops was added in this. You can add as much as color you want. Now I am done with that, just I will update the page. After updating, I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here is my page, you can see this cool colorful raindrop effect in the background. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.